I am coming to show you this great, super easy recipe. It's a family favorite of ours. It's so easy. I did it when I was single. It's fantastic. So let's hit it. I've greased it already with the cooking spray. Next, we have the cherry pie filling. It's my favorite. So it doesn't matter what brand, you just choose, right? But you have to use the one that's the 30-ounce can. If you use a smaller one, that's not enough. So we're gonna pour this in. Okay, so now that we've got that, it's pretty easy. You just leave that in there. Next, we want about a 20-ounce size can of pineapple. My favorite is the tidbits. You can get any other type that you want, but my favorite is the tidbits because it makes it really easy after this point. You're gonna pour the whole thing in there because we want the juice along with the cherry filling to incorporate. You can probably tell, maybe you can't, I really like to just get a good mixture between cherry and pineapple because you're going to bite into these and it's nice to have both. But you might be able to tell, you don't worry too much about mixing it really well. This is all you have to do is just lightly stir and make sure to put a good mixture of cherry and pineapple interspersed. That's it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cake mix. I like the yellow. It's my favorite. We're going to sprinkle it on. Not too shabby. So now I'm going to take my fork, regular eating fork, and I'm just going to make sure that everything's pretty covered. The next thing we're going to do is take like Sprite or 7-Up. I've just got Shasta, the lemon lime pop. A cup and a half is perfect. I'm going to show you. You can see how it starts to foam, and I'm just going to spread it kind of lightly. This is going to make the crust, okay? So one of the things that I love about this is when our kids were younger, we had a lot of different food allergies for our kids. One of them was milk. One of them was also eggs. So we had to come up with some different ways to do what, kind of normal people do with their desserts. This recipe usually calls for this, at this point, it's cutting up pats of butter and putting it all throughout the top of this cake. Cobblers, I like to call it. But pats of butter, didn't work for our kids with their allergies. So we came up with doing pop as a substitute. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees. And you want to cook it for an hour. So this is going to get a nice golden, kind of crispy crust. I'll show you after. Okay, now we've got our crust. Everything is perfect. We can spoon it and see. And this is a perfect dessert to serve with vanilla ice cream, any kind of something where you like to do, like pie. But you can tell it's a little bit liquidy on the bottom. So, like I said, on the pop, you don't want to add too much to it, but this is great. If you add a little bit less, then it won't be as liquidy. But I love it because it's just, you can see there's the pineapple and cherries, and you've got your nice cakey type of crust that makes it into a really super simple cobbler, okay? It's fantastic. So enjoy it plain, enjoy it with ice cream. Thanks for joining us. If you find value in this, like and subscribe. Watch for more recipes. They're super yummy and simple too, like this. Okay, bye.